Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into BDO online banking with your username and password. Once done, make sure your registered mobile number and email are current because OTPs go there. You should also have your ATM/debit card or one-time PIN ready for verification. Use a secure Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to avoid interruptions. Open the BDO web portal or app, then go directly to your profile or security settings to begin adding a new device. Once in security settings, choose Manage Devices and tap Add Device. You're telling the bank to trust this specific phone or computer. Enter a clear device name and type so you'll recognize it later, then choose your preferred verification method, OTP to your registered number, card detail confirmation, or security questions. When you request OTP, wait for the message, then enter the code exactly. If you see a device fingerprint prompt, accept it to bind the device to your account. After verification, review requested permissions and confirm to register the device. The portal will show it in your trusted device list. Log out, then test by signing back in from the new device to ensure smooth access and that no extra authentication blocks you. If something goes wrong, make sure time and date are correct on your device. If OTP fails, wait 2 minutes and retry or request a new code. If persistent issues continue, contact BDO support for account-specific trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.